Parental control without a child app? Here is how Teralivo works. First, connect the Android phone by USB and complete the parent authorized setup while you have the device in hand. After setup, no conventional child side control app needs to remain installed, so there is no parental control app for your child to accidentally uninstall or stop. Choose the location interval and collection hours. If location is manually turned off, the authorized management process can enable it again and continue recording points on the map. Schedule distracting apps to be disabled during school, homework, or bedtime, and automatically remove apps that are not allowed on the managed phone. See how long video, social media, browsers, and other apps were used each day. When help is needed, remotely open an app or operate the managed phone without asking someone beside it to approve every session. Parental control without a conventional child app. Start your free trial today at teralivo.com.